Hi everyone, in front of me I've got VIVO X80 Lite, and let me share with you how to remove credential storage in this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this general list we have to scroll down to find the security. Let's tap. Then let's scroll down and localize encryption and credentials, and tap on the option at the very bottom of the list, so clear credentials. Confirm it with OK, and if you've got any kind of screen lock, your device will require you to enter it to confirm everything, so let's do it. And as you can see, not only we've got this information, but also this option is inactive, which means that we just successfully removed all saved certificates. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.